Okay, so what we're going to talk about tonight is a transformation. So the first thing is, what is a transformation? Well, there are 5 different kinds of transformations we're going to talk about. We're going to talk with a size transformation. There's a rotation, there is a reflection, there is a translation, and there is also something called a glide reflection that we're going to talk about. So we're going to start out talking about the size change. A transformation is a correspondence between 2 sets of points. Another word for transformation is mapping, because the pre-image maps on to the new image. So how do we notate a size change, and also how do we do the size change actually? So this is saying we want to do a size change with a constant of 3. So a size change with a constant of 3 means that we're going to make everything 3 times the size that it was. So if my original point is 2, 1, whenever I perform the size change, my new point is going to be 6, 3, because I multiply both parts of the coordinate pair by the constant of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now, what if I want to do a size change of 2/3? Well, what I do is I'm going to take the 6 and I'm going to multiply the 6 by 2/3. And whenever I multiply 6 by 2/3, I'm going to get 12 over 3, which is 4. And then I am also going to multiply the negative 24 by 2/3. So negative 24 times 2/3. And when I multiply negative 24 by 2/3, I'm going to get negative 16. So whenever I change this by a size change of 2/3, my new point turns out to be 4, negative 16. And this is a size change. I'm changing the place where the point is. I'm changing the size of the point, or the coordinates of the point, by multiplying by 2/3. Okay, there are some things that stay the same whenever we're doing a size change. One thing that stays the same, if things are parallel in the pre-image, they're also going to be parallel in the image. If points are on the same line, they're going to stay on the same line from the pre-image to the image. Angle measures are going to stay the same from the pre-image to the image. The only thing that's actually going to change is the length of our segments. How far apart are our points? They're still on the same line, they're still collinear, but they're going to be further apart because we have multiplied the length by whatever the k, the constant, is. We already talked about what is one property that does not stay the same, and the one that does not stay the same is the length. Okay, so now what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to turn into your book to page 156. And I would like for you to do problems 5 through 8 on page 156. We will go over these in class on Friday, and then we'll be doing, in class tomorrow, you will be doing an actual size change operation.